A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Allahumma salli ala sayyidina wa maulana Muhammadin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi wa barik wa sallim. Assalamu alaikum kids.
Wa alaikum assalam.
Today inshallah we will read dua after eating. When we eat and after eating what we should read as a thanks for Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. This is dua and this is from hadith, and this hadith from Abu Dawud. Prophet ﷺ said, when you eat and after eating read this dua. Abu Sa'id Khudri radiyallahu ta'ala anhu said Prophet ﷺ used to say this dua and he used to read this dua after eating, and you will read after me. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim.
Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim.
Alhamdu Lillahi alladhi at'amana wa sakana wa ja'alana muslimin. Alhamdu Lillahi alladhi at'amana wa sakana wa ja'alana muslimin. And Naimul Hassan was here. Now Ali Hassan will come here and we will read together. And Ali Hassan come here and you come here. Shabash, good job. Ali Hassan come here. And this is the training of kids, you know. The small kid, they will listen. When they will listen and slowly they will read. Alhamdu Lillah Alladhi at'amana wa saqana wa ja'alana muslimin. One time more. Alhamdu Lillahi alladhi at'amana wa saqana wa ja'alana muslimin. Now we will read the translation. What is translation? Alhamdu. Alhamdu means all praise be to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Alhamdu, all praise. Lillahi, for Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. All praise for Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. All praise be to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Alladhi, who. At'amana, this is the famous formula of translation. When we have na at the end, this means us, or we, our us, mostly is us. This means, and here is a ta'am, who gave us, who provide us food, ta'am, food, wa, and sakana, as sakana, and who gave us food and drink, who provide us food and drink, wa, and waja'alana, and made us muslimin, Muslims. All praise be to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, who gave us food and who gave us drink and made us Muslim. In Urdu, सारी तारीफें अल्लाह के लिए हैं जिसने हमें खिलाया, जिसने हमें पिलाया और हमें मुसलमान बनाया. ये बेसिकली थैंक्स फॉर अल्लाह सुब्हानहू व तआला है. ये थैंक्स गिविंग है. तो खाने के बाद हमें ये दुआ पढ़नी चाहिए. अल्लाह रब्बुल इज्जत हमें पढ़ने की तौफीक इनायत फरमाए. अस्सलामु अलैकुम व रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातहू.